To check exchange rates on Oanda, start by visiting the Oanda website and navigating to the Currency Converter tool. This tool allows you to quickly and easily convert between different currencies using the latest exchange rates. First, select the currency you want to convert from the drop-down menu. Then enter the amount you want to convert. Next, select the currency you want to convert to, and the tool will display the converted amount based on the current exchange rate. For more detailed information, you can also view the exchange rate charts and graphs, which provide a visual representation of how the exchange rate has fluctuated over time. This can be useful for tracking trends and making informed decisions about when to exchange your currency. In addition to the Currency Converter tool, Oanda also provides a range of other resources, including historical exchange rate data and currency news and analysis. These resources can be useful for anyone who needs to stay up to date on the latest developments in the foreign exchange market. To get the most out of Oanda, it is a good idea to create an account, which will give you access to a range of additional features and tools, including the ability to set up custom exchange rate alerts and to view more detailed exchange rate data. Overall, checking exchange rates on Oanda is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and taking advantage of the range of resources and tools available, you can stay up to date on the latest exchange rates and make informed decisions about your currency exchanges.